Receiving the no active device used for your location message? Want to share your location again? Watch this video and fix it now. Method 1. Restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone is a simple yet effective way to resolve the temporary glitches that may be causing the no active device issue. Method 2. Adjust location settings on iPhone. Go to Settings and tap Privacy and Security. Then Location Services. Toggle on the Location Services button on the top. Then enter Share My Location and toggle on the Share My Location button. Next, back to tap Find My App and tap Ask Next Time or When I Share option or the While Using the App option. Method 3. Request location and share again. Launch the Messages app and go to the Conversation page. Tap the contact's name, then select Request Location. Once the contact receives the request, you can send your location again. Method 4. Fix iCloud-related issues. If Find My iPhone keeps saying no active device, it may be due to an iCloud-related issue. MagFone Activation Unlocker offers a reliable solution by removing the iCloud lock and resolving deeper iCloud issues on iPhones and iPads. You can follow the steps in this video to restore your iPhone's active status quickly and effortlessly.